saking. Right? That's ridiculous. You are out there get revenge on me today, aren't you? All these sounds. The police. And the smoke alarm. Everyone in the caravan's going to think the house is on fire. Linda, what?
Come on.
Where? You're driving me mad. Oh, God. You better stop that. You really hear
Sure, Mama.
Alright. He hears all new sounds when he's down here.
Was it me?
It's always you. Wasn't me. Cheek. Always you. Chucky.
Darren.
What are you being cheeky for? We'll not drive you insane, that squeaky door. Hopefully by the time we go home you'll forget about it.
Want to dinner?
My baby can't hear, but that's the only sound that scares the life out of him. So he hears something when he does it. Speaking about
Chicken
you,
rice.
chicken and rice, you'll be getting nothing. Or you can ring him. Go, ring him. You see, what do you hear?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Is there any chance?
Linda. Get home.
What do you say? Linda, get phone.